The owner of this iPad accidentally shattered the screen. Luckily, the display and touch function are still okay. All that's needed is a replacement for the outer screen. The cracks are quite severe. Be very careful when removing the screen. Otherwise, the display might get scratched. That would mean 2 weeks of work down the drain. Slide the separator tool to open the screen. Next, remove the display. Lift the connector clips for the display. Take off the outer screen. Protect the camera. Use a spatula to scrape off all the shattered glass around the edges. After that, clean off the old waterproof adhesive. Next, install the new outer screen. Reconnect the display cables, secure them with screws, and reattach the display. Make sure it's firmly in place. Remove the protective stickers that were applied earlier. Apply adhesive. Attach the outer screen and wipe away any excess glue. Time for a test. Everything works perfectly. Repair complete.